This is R.D. Sharma Solution, Class 12, Chapter 19, Exercises 19.8, Indefinite integrals we are talking about. 1 by under root 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now we are dealing with the integral as well as the trigonometry. So you know the formula about this because we are going to use 1 minus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x, 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x, all these formulas. So you need to understand it very well. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sine square, whatever the angle is on the left hand side, the right hand side the angle will be half. So 1 minus cos 2x will be 2 sine square x, and 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x by 2 likewise. So let us start the integration here. We have 1 by under root, let me write this 2 sine square x here. So this is 2 sine square x and this is dx. So this is root 2, 1 by root 2 we can take outside. Under root sine square means sine because square and root cancels out. So 1 by sine x it is, an integration of dx. But you know that 1 by sine x is simply cosec x. This you already know. As 1 by cos x is sec x, 1 by tan x is cot x, 1 by cot x is tan x, like that. So 1 by sine x, let us write it as cosec x because we have the direct integration of cosec x. So 1 by root 2 here, I am writing cosec x in place of 1 by sine x, but integration of cosec x is known to us. It's a standard result. If you go back and revisit my previous discussions, we have already proved it. So let us write it. This is ln. ln is log to the base e. Log to the base e. How about modulus? Modulus is important. Cosec x minus cot x plus constant of integration. This is your result. Alright. So let me resolve this. This place you can stop. But in order to make it more simpler, we will make it 1 by sine x. Cot x is cos x by sine x. So this will become 1 minus cos x divided by sine x. So this 1 minus cos x is what? As I told you in the very beginning, it's 2 sine square, whatever angle is there, divided by 2. So 2 sine square x by 2 for 1 minus cos x, sine x can be written as, because sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Because sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2, whatever is getting cancelled, only 10x by 2 is remaining. 2 gets cancelled, sine and sine gets cancelled. So you have 10x by 2. So we have 1 by root 2. So I am writing it here now. Because ln is already there, modulus you cannot forget. So 10x by 2 under modulus plus the constant of integration. This we have already proved, cosec x minus cot x. It came out to be this. So this is the result which we are talking about. So we always tend to discuss all the formula which we are using or which we should use. Same thing here. 1 plus cos x. What is 1 plus cos x? It's integration of 1 by under root 1 plus cos x, as we have just discussed. I'm writing it directly. It's 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 1 by root 2 you can take it outside. Cos square x by 2 is simply cos x by 2. And 1 by cos by 2 x by 2 is sec x by 2. That is under root cos square x by 2 is cos x by 2, as we just discussed. And this is 1 by cos x by 2, so it will go up and it will form sec x by 2. So we have sec x by 2 here. Integration of sec x by 2 dx. So there is a standard result which we already talked about in our earlier discussions. So we are going to use the direct result of the integral here. So this is 1 by root 2. And please remember one more thing here. I'll just tell you in a while. First, sec x by 2 is simply tan x by 2 because it's a standard result. Tan x by 2 plus sec x by 2. We have this inside ln, which is log base e, and covered by the modulus plus constant of integration. But one more thing is remaining because x by 2 is there. There is an algebraic expression. You have to differentiate it and the result needs to be divided. Divide dx of x by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 has to be in the denominator. So 2 goes up. So 2 by under root 2. You can stop here, but the examiner and the R.D. Sharma wants us to make it more easier. Well, for me, it's easiest. This is the final answer. But in R.D. Sharma solved questions, they have more simplified it. So we'll do that. Tan x by 2 plus sec x by 2. Let us take this separately and try to resolve it. Tan x by 2 is simply sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Sin theta by cos theta. Plus sec x by 2 is 1 by cos x by 2. Now since the base are same, the numerator becomes 1 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So we'll apply this formula here. 1 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Now this sine, see, first thing is 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How about sin x by 2? You know that sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin x by 2 is 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. Whatever the angle is, it will become half. So we have sin square x by 2, which is half of x by 2, which is x by 4. Cos square x by 4, because angle is sin x by 2, which will eventually form 2 sin x by 4 and cos x by 4. So we have to match it with the 1. So sin square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4, we have introduced ourselves in place of 1. So what do we get? This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is nothing but a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 whole square. So what we have done is 1 we have replaced as sin square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4. Sin x by 2 we have replaced as 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. So let me write it here. 1 sin square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4. And of course sin x by 2 is 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. So I've told you 3 times, I guess. So this is now clear to you. Coming now to the denominator. We have to do something with cos x by 2 also, because the r.d.sharma wants us to do it, because for me ln tan x by 2 plus sec x by 2 is the final answer. But let us do it. What is cos x? You know it. It's cos square theta minus sin square theta by 2. So cos theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos theta will be cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. So this cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 is simply a square minus b square. And it can be written as a minus b plus a plus b. So cos x by 2 is cos square x by 2 of 2. Half of x by 2 is 1 x by 4. So cos square x by 4 minus sin square x by 4. Now this is a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Multiply this 2 by root 2 by root 2 and root 2, numerator denominator. So what are you going to get? You will get only root 2. So the numerator becomes sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4, this whole square. The denominator is cos x by 4 minus sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 plus sin x by 4. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So cos x by 4 minus sin x by 4. And here we have cos x by 4 plus sin x by 4. So there will be a cancellation. What will be cancelled? Sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 is common in numerator and denominator. So this is your final result. You can just cancel it out, or you can just keep it like that. This is what book wants us to portray. That's why we have done it. So this is what you have to do. All the formula we have discussed, I think, multiple times now. Just I want it to be get feeded into your mind. 1 plus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x, already done question. Let us do and write the formula directly. 1 plus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x. 1 is, so let me write it, and you'll see it will become so easy. 1 plus cos 2x is simply 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x by 2, which is 2x, so the angle will be x only. So 2 cos square x, 2 sin square x, inside an under root and integral. 2 gets cancelled, cos square cos, sin square sin. So cos by sin under root, which is under root gets cancelled. So you can just eliminate the under root. Cos by sin is only, it's cot x. So you are essentially integrating cot x. And there is a standard formula for cot x. What is the formula? It's ln, that is log base e, modulus of sin x plus constant of integration. So this is how we are going to write it. Okay. So this is a repeat telecast, same question with a different x angle only, means theta angle. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So 1 minus cos theta, just to remind you, just to recall those things which we have learned. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Because whatever the angle is on the left hand side, the angle on the right will be half of it. So let us do it. This is, so 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So let me write it here. 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2, and this is inside your under root. So square root gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled already. So you are left only with 10x by 2. Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is 10x by 2. Sin theta by cos theta is 10 theta. Now we are going to integrate this. When you integrate this, it's the result which is minus ln log base e. What is 10x by 2? It's simply cos x by 2. Please remember, when we were integrating, it is sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 will take t, then differentiate it. Sin x by 2 will be replaced, and that is how 1 by t will be there. 1 by t, 1 by cos x by t is log only. So that's how it has come. But we are not stopping here. There's one more thing. Modulus you are not going to forget. One more thing. X by 2. What is x by 2? See, first of all, ln has to be there. You cannot write log. Modulus should be there. That has to be kept in mind. But one more thing is there. When you integrate something like trigonometric expression, the inside x by 2 has to be differentiated, and that has to be divided. That is, x by 2 has to be differentiated. It's going to give you 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 goes in the denominator, but essentially it will go up. This is your final result. So this is what I was talking about. It's a very simple question. If you understand or recall these formulae, this question will be very simple to you. Evaluate the following integrals. Sec x by sec 2x. Let me resolve it. Let us find an expression which we can easily integrate. For that, we have sec x by sec 2x. Please remember, cos x is simply the inversion of sec x is inversion of cos x, and cos x is inversion of sec x. So 1 by sec x can always be written as cos x. 1 by sec 2x can be written as 1 by sec 2x is 1 by cos 2x. So this goes up. 1 by sec x is 1 by cos x. 1 by the sec 2x is 1 by cos 2x. So cos 2x goes up. Cos x comes in the denominator. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos x in the denominator will remain same. 2 cos square x minus 1 can be separated with the cos in the denominator. This cos gets cancelled. So you just have a 2 here. This is what will be here. Only one cos will remain, 2 cos, and 1 by cos x can be written as sec x. Now let us integrate. Cos x is simple. Sec x we already know. We have already done a question like this. So it will be 2 cos x is sin x. There is no differentiation of x that can be put in the denominator. So we'll just go for sec x. It's ln modulus sec x plus 10x. So even if we differentiate x, 1 will be there. So no point in writing it in the denominator. This is your final result. See, this is all resolving. Integration is this one. Okay, this is your final result. This is how you're going to write it. These are all the steps which we already explained. This question we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next part.